Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to answer the question that people often ask me, and that is, should I be foam rolling a hamstring strain? So actually what happens is they don't ask me that. They email me in or message me and say, I strained my hamstring, I've been foam rolling it and stretching it, but it's not getting better. And then I really want to just cringe and go, please stop doing that because you're likely making it worse. And let me explain why that is. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Maryke. I'm one of the physiotherapists from sportsinjuryphysio.com, where you can get online physiotherapy assessment as well as treatment via video call. So have a look at the description of this video if you want a link to our website. Okay, so remember what happens when you strain a hamstring. You literally pull a few fibers of it apart. So if you've got a mild hamstring strain, it'll only be a little portion of the muscle that's injured. If you've got a substantial hamstring strain, it'll be a larger portion of that muscle that's injured. But you've torn some of the muscle fibers. Now, especially within the first week or two, that area inside the muscle is really sensitive and it's quite fragile. So let's look at the first 3 to 5 days. During that period, if you're too rough with either manual massage or foam rolling, you can actually make it bleed again in there and increase your injury. Same thing because to be honest, some people are really rough with foam rolling as well. So they'll really hammer to the point where their muscles get bruises. So even within the first 2 weeks, if you're going to be really severe with your foam rolling, again, you can make that injury worse because it needs a period of time to recover. And hamstring strains takes about 4 to 6 weeks if it's a mild one, and it can take up to 12 weeks to properly recover in that time. So what should you be doing? Well, actually, I made a whole video about that, so have a look. I'll link to it up here. But you need to be strengthening your hamstring. So you need to start a graded strength training program. So when I say strengthen, it doesn't mean go into the gym and use weights, because that will make it worse as well. You need to start gently with it at the level that it can accept. But strength training is the way that you tell the body to create new cells, to create stronger cells. And that's how you get it to be stronger. So yeah, foam rolling later on, after week 2 or so, can help to decrease the tightness you feel in there. But again, until that injury has properly recovered, that tightness will come back. So you may find that you feel more comfortable for an hour or 2, but then it's tight again tomorrow. So make sure you get the correct treatment advice with regards to strength training, because that's the way that you'll get rid of the tightness in the long term. Excellent. Let me know if you've got any questions. And remember, if you need help with your injury, you're always welcome to consult us via video call. Link to the website is in the description of this video if you want to know more. Take care.